One NCRT problem last time we have completed, that was A, B, C, D, and P. They were in, they are real number, and A, B, C, D, G, P we have proved. So that question we have done. One more question write down, which is on NCRT. If A plus BX by, if A plus BX by A minus BX is equal to B plus CX by B minus CX equal to C plus DX by C minus DX. This is the condition given to you. Then question is, show that A, B, C, D are in GP. Question is, show that A, B, C, D are in GP. Question is, show that A, B, C, D are in GP. Yes, how to do this? A, B, C, D if are in GP, we are asking. That means I need B by A should be equal to C by B equal to D by C. This we have to do. Yes, how to do this question? Yes, how to do this question? Yes, how to do this question? Whenever this type of question is here, we want this result so that you can get by removing x, and that you can remove by taking these two and you will apply componendo and dividendo. So we will say using componendo and dividendo. Componendo and dividendo I'll use. What the component dividendo says, that if you have A by B is equal to C by D, then component dividendo says that this is also same. A plus B by A minus B is equal to C plus D by C minus D. So I'll use this and we will solve this question. Just check here. Using componendo dividendo here, it will come A plus BX plus A minus BX divided by A plus BX minus A minus BX. This is equal to B plus CX plus B minus of CX. Then it is B plus CX minus B minus CX. BX gone, A gone.
Could you please repeat?
I have taken this condition and applying componendo and dividendo. What the componendo dividendo says, that if you have A by B is equal to C by D, then numerator plus denominator by numerator minus denominator, same thing on the other side. This ratio is also come out to be equal. So what I have done, I have taken these two and applying the componendo dividendo. When you apply, it is A plus BX plus A minus BX, A plus BX minus of A minus BX. Same way, when you go for this, B plus CX, sorry, plus B minus CX by B plus CX minus B minus CX. So when you have this, you can simplify it easily. here CX con, here B con. What is the numerator? We got 2A. Denominator come out to be 2BX. Then it will be twice of B by twice CX. This 2 cancel out, X also cancel out. I got A by B is B by C. Then if they are equal, that means B by A will be C by B. So one part you got, that is here. Same way when you apply the componendo dividendo here, what the result you will get in that case, the result will come B by C is C by D. And if it is there, then its reciprocal will be taken as C by D is D by C. Then if you use these two, you will get that result. And hence we will say B by A, C by B, D by C coming equal. That is indicating yes, A, B, C, D are in G. Hence we got A, B, C, D are in G. Now coming on next type of questions. These are the two NCERT problem which was slightly difficult one. I have done that. Now coming on selection of terms in GP. Selection of terms in GP. Just like in AP we have done the selection, we'll do it here also. Here we will say number of terms. Here we will say they are terms. And here we will say common ratio. When we have three terms, generally we will take the terms as A by R, A and AR. Common ratio is clearly R in this case. When you have five terms, we will say A by R square, A by R, A, AR and AR square. And the common ratio is still R. When you have four terms, then it will be A by R cube, A by R, AR and AR cube. This way we will be having the terms and the common ratio will be R square. So these are the terms we can use, but this assumption will be only valid when you will find that the product of three terms of GP given to you. Then it will be helpful because then in that case R cancel out and A will be calculated. So if it is given the product of terms in GP, then it will be useful. Otherwise, you can take your terms as A, AR, AR square, whatever you want. So in that case, A, AR, AR square will work. Otherwise, it will be helpful to you. Right, first question please. If the sum of three terms in GP is 38, if sum of three terms in GP is 38 and their product is 1728. 1728 is the product, sum is 38. My question is, what are the numbers? Find out please. Yes, product first given. Product when you think it will be A by R, A and AR. That come out to be 1728. Now when you solve it, it will come A cube will be 1728, which is coming 12 cube. So clearly A is coming 12. After getting A, now sum is given. That means A by R plus A plus AR. That is given 38 in the question. A by R plus A plus AR given as 38. A is already 12. Now we should calculate R also. So A, if I take common, it will be coming 1 by R plus 1 plus R comes out to be 38. Value of A is already known as 12. So I'll say 12. LCM is R. 1 plus R square is coming 38. Is it right?
Yeah.
Then what the result will be?
12.
12 will cancel out. 6. And this is 19. Right or no? Then it will come 6 plus 6R plus 6R square will be 19 of R.
13
Now I'll write this as 6R square
plus 13
minus 13R plus 6 comes out to be 0.
minus 9.
6, 6, 36. So 9 and 4 are the factors. 9R
Yes, sir.
minus 4R plus 6 is coming 0. Common is what? 3R common.
2R minus 3.
This is 2R minus 3. Minus 2 common, 2R minus 3.
R is 3 by 2.
R is coming 3 by 2, R is coming 2 by 3. What is A? 12. So what the numbers are? A by R, A, AR. A is clearly given 12. R I am taking 3 by 2.
18, 12,
Then it will be 12 by 3 by 2. This will be 12. This will be 12 into 3 by 2. What did it come? 8, 12,
18,
18.
18,
And when you take R as 2 by 3, it will reverse. What reverse? 18,
12.
12 and 8. Next question, please. If the continued product of three numbers in GP is 216, and the sum of their products in pair is 156, and the sum of their product in pair is 156. Find what the numbers are. Then question is what the numbers are.
The A6.
First they say product is 216. So A by R, A and AR comes out to be 216. That is indicating A cube will be 216, 6 cube. So A is coming 6 here. Then they say sum of the product in pair. तो क्या आएगा? A by R into A plus A into AR, AR into A by R. That come out to be how much? 156. In this part, A square will be common in all. Left is 1 by R. plus of r plus of 1. Right or no?
Yes.
That
Sir,
is
can you please
1.
explain this last step, sir?
Second
Sir, ये जो
condition.
आपने किया A by R is to plus.
Question says that sum of the product in pair. इनके पेयर लेके आप प्रोडक्ट निकाल रहे हैं और उसका सम दैट कम आउट टू बी 156. तो पहला पेयर होगा a by r into a, फिर प्लस सेकंड पेयर होगा a into ar प्लस फिर ar into a by r. That is the third pair. That is coming 156.
Okay.
And after getting this result, hello. So in this case, a square that will become 36. Here we'll take r as LCM. So 1 plus r square plus r come out to be 156.
So 12.
By 12 it will cancel out.
3 and 30.
12 threes are, and this is 13. Okay. Then what this result comes out to be? 3 plus 3 r square plus 3r comes out to be 13r.
3r minus 10.
Or I should say 3r square minus of 10r plus of 3 comes out to be 0.
Minus.
Then what the factors are? Minus 9, minus 1.
R is 3.
Common is 3r, so it will be r minus 3. Minus 1 common, r minus 3. So r is coming 3 and 1 by 3. A is already given 6, so can you write your number?
2, 6, 8.
R is 3, A is 6. So first will be 6 by 3, 6 into 3. 2, 6 and 18. When you go the reverse way, it will be 6 by 1 by 3, then 6 and then 6 into 1 by 3. So it will be 18, 6 and 2 is the second one. Next question please. Three numbers are in GP whose sum is 70. Three numbers are in GP whose sum is 70. If the extremes be each multiplied by 4, and the mean multiplied by 5, they will be in AP. Find what the numbers are.
Can you repeat the first part of?
Three numbers are in GP whose sum is 70. And if the extremes be each multiplied by 4 and the mean by 5, they will be in AP. Find the numbers. Answer for the question. Three numbers are in GP. Now here in this case, one thing is clear. Product is not given in the question. As product is not given, so that what assumption you have taken is not going to help you. That will make your question lengthy. So it's better you take the number AR and AR square. Okay? Then sum is given 70 means A plus AR square come out to be 70. First condition. Second condition says that if the extremes are multiplied by 4. So ये पहला number हो गया 4A, this will be 4AR square. And mean is multiplied by 5, so it will come 5 times AR. Then these are in AP now. These three becomes in AP. And if these three in AP, what is the condition you have done in AP?
5 AR.
Twice of this will be this plus this. You have done in the condition AP. This minus this is this minus this, or twice of the middle term is coming 4A plus 4AR square. A clearly taken common and cancel it. So what it will come? It will be 10R. This will come 4 plus 4R square. Then you can write this as 4R square minus of 10R plus of 4 is coming 0. More simplification, it will be 2R square minus 5R plus 2 is coming 0. Can you split middle term here?
Minus 2 AR.
Yes, minus 4R and minus R. Plus 2 is coming 0. Then I go 2R is common, so 2R, R minus 2. Minus 1 common, R minus 2. So R is coming 2 or it is coming half. Okay, so we got R is coming 2 or R is coming half. And what is A now? I calculate A. A I'll calculate from this equation now. A is common here, it will be 1 plus R square is come out to be 70. When you take R is 2, then it will be 2 plus 4, right? 4 and 2, 6 and 1, 7. 7A come out to be 70, so A comes out to be 10. Second case, when you take R is coming half. When you take R is half, what this will come? A
28.
1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 is coming 70. Or I should say LCM will be what? 4. Upar 7 aega?
So, yes.
So A comes out to be 40 this time. So now we have the three terms. First I'll go for this. First number is 10, 20, and then is 40. Second one, when you take this and this, 40, half of that will be 20 and then 10. So these are the three numbers or these are the three numbers? Next question please. Find three numbers in GP. Find three numbers in GP whose sum is 52. And whose product in pair is 624. Product in pair. Pair क्या बनेंगे? A into AR. Whose sum
Of product.
of products in pair. So पहला pair बनेगा AAR. Then it comes AR into AR square. And third will come A into AR square. That is how much? That is given as 624. Find what the numbers are. Again, the product is not given, so I've taken A, AR and AR square. Sum is given 52. Sum of their products in pair A into AR into AR square, A into AR square, that is coming 624. Now we should find out what is A, what is R, and GP to be calculated. Those three numbers to be calculated. So what we do in this case, first I'll take this as A square common. R is also common in it. Left is what? 1 plus
R square
R
plus R square.
R plus R square, right? यहाँ R square आएगा और यहाँ R आएगा. That is no problem. But R common आ गया ना? So यहाँ पे आपको R मिलेगा, वो हमने यहाँ लिखा है, R square यहाँ लिखा. Is coming 620. And this condition says A common. 1 plus R square is how much? 52.
सर हमें टर्म्स बतानी है क्या?
Yes, you
ये
should.
केवल ए और आर की वैल्यू?
हाँ?
सर टर्म्स और वो दोनों केवल टर्म्स बतानी है ना अभी तो?
Yes, only the terms to be told. Yes. Now in this case, it is A square, it is R here. So what I should do here?
सर डिवाइड कर दो फिर AR आ जाएगा.
First we divide these two. Yes, A square R 1 plus R square whole divided by A 1 plus R
So in the
plus R
second-
square
Excuse me, sir.
624 by 52.
12.
Excuse me, sir. So in the second step, A square R bracket 1 plus R square plus R square.
R square plus R आएगा बेटा. एक R आपका बाहर चला गया है तो ये R देगा.
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
इसलिए
तो
मैंने
आपने उधर शिफ्ट कर दिया. Okay.
right.
ठीक है.
These two term get cancel out. A get cancel out. 52 and 624. कितनी बार आ रहा है ये? 12 आ रहा है. So I got AR comes out to be 12. This is one condition I got. If AR is known, then I can say A will be 12 by R. Nothing wrong in it. And this value I will place here. It's better we'll take this condition. It is A1 plus R square is coming 52.
AR बताइए.
A will be 12 by R. 1 plus R square is coming 52. Is it right? From this I am taking. And now only the thing is you should solve it. It will come 12 plus 12 of R plus 12 R square is 52 R.
सर 3 और 1.
Or I should say 12 R square. This will come how much? Minus 40 R plus 12. 0.
3R square minus
4. Sir 4. We can take 4 common out.
Yes, so it will be 3R square minus 10R plus
10R.
10.
3 is coming.
Minus 9 or minus 5.
Now I can take the middle term splitting 3R square minus
9R minus R.
minus plus 3 come out to be 0. So 3R common R minus 3 minus 1 common R minus 3.
R is 3
R is 1 by 3 or 3. And then you can calculate A also as AR is 12. So when you have R is 3,
A is 4.
A is 4. And when R is 1 by 3, A will be 36. And now you can write the numbers, that is no problem. First will be 4,
Then
12
12, yes.
and
30.
36. इसमें क्या आएगा? 36,
12 and
12 and 4. Next question, please. Find three numbers in GP whose sum is 13, 1, 3. Find three numbers in GP whose sum is 13 and sum of their squares is 91. Sum of three numbers in GP is 13 and sum of their squares means a square, AR whole square, a square, AR square whole square, that is given 91. My question is, find out what are the numbers here. Yes, what we do in this case, a square will be common here. 1 plus r square plus r power 4 is coming 91. And this gives a common. 1 plus r square is 13. So what I should do here? It is a square, it is a.
They divide.
Take square of it and then divide. Then a will cancel out, r to be calculated. Simply divide अगर आप करेंगे तो ये तो कटेंगे नहीं और a आपका एक कट के एक a फिर भी बचेगा. So that will not be going to help you. So better will be you square it. So square and this is 169. And now you divide them. It comes a square 1 plus r square plus r power 4 divided by a square into 1 plus r square whole power 2 is what? This is 169 by 91. ऊपर 91 आएगा, ठीक है?
Sir, 13 by 7.
सर ऊपर 7 है और नीचे 30. 7 by 30.
7 by 13.
7 by 30. Yes, a square gone. Then I get it 1 plus r square plus r power 4 into 13 is equal to 7 times. What it will be? 1 plus r square whole square. Now what we do next?
सर इसके अंदर पूरी इक्वेशन बनेगी भी r क्यूब के आ जाएगा.
Now I'll open this result, okay? Thirteen is here, 1 plus r square plus r power 4. This is a plus b plus c whole square. A plus b plus c whole square is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So I'll write this is 7 here. A square 1, b square r square, c square r power 4.
2r, 2r,
Then 2, 1 into r, so 2r.
2r
2 r into r square, so 2r cube. Then 2r square here. Right?
3r square.
Then it will come out to be 7, 1 plus r square plus r power 4. This is one term. Here I'll take 2r common. So what it will come? 1 plus r square plus of r. Yes. अब अपने पास जो कंडीशंस हैं वो ये हैं. A1 plus r square was what? It was 13, right? और second था A1 plus r square plus r power 4 is how much? 91. Now, this is 7, this is 13 times.
Okay.
So, we will take 7 times this, so here we left 6 times. 1 plus r square plus r4
Equals to 14
equal to 14 r1 plus r square, right? ये वैल्यू आपकी कितनी है? यहां से निकलेगी 91 by a. Then 14 r remain as it is. 1 plus r square is 13 by a. ये वैल्यू आपके पास 13 by a और ये वाली वैल्यू है 91 by a. A cancel out.
or
Then
13 and 91.
7s are right. 7 2s are. And 2 3s are. So R is simply come out to be 3. Okay? R is coming 3 in this case. And if R is coming 3, can you get A? 1 plus
3 plus
3 plus 9 is coming 13.
A is 1.
13 is cancel out, so A is coming 1. So what the numbers are? 1,
3,
3, 9. That is the answer we have, 1, 3, 9. So this type of question you can do easily now, whatever the difficult problems. This was slightly difficult one, we have done that. Other problems also we have completed. Next time I'll be starting with sum of n terms of GP. Next time we will be starting with the next result, that will be sum of n terms of GP, sum of infinite terms of GP. That will be 2 more topics we will be having next one. One more question you try please. The sum of 3 numbers in GP